Let us study how to use find and replace. Take the cursor to the beginning of the document. Click on Replace tool in the Editing group in Home tab. This will open a Find and Replace dialog box. Type the word which you want to replace in Find What text box. Type the word which is going to replace the existing word in Replace with text box. Click on Replace All button to change all occurrences. Now let us see how to get meanings or synonyms of words. For that, we can use Thesaurus option. Highlight the word whose meaning you want to check. Click on Review tab on the ribbon. Click on Thesaurus tool in the Proofing group. This will open a research pane on the right-hand side of the screen. This pane will display all the synonyms and antonyms of the highlighted word. Take the mouse pointer over the word that you want to use. A small arrow will appear. Click on this arrow. It will show three options: Insert, Copy, Look up. Click on your choice. Insert will replace the highlighted word of the document. Copy will copy the chosen word to the Windows clipboard. Look up will further show the synonyms and antonyms of chosen word. Next is spelling and grammar check. To check spelling and grammar mistakes, we can use Spelling and Grammar Check option. This not only checks the spelling and grammar but also gives similar spellings and corrected sentences. Let us see how to use this option. Take the cursor to the beginning of the text. Click on Review tab on the ribbon. Click on Spelling and Grammar tool in the Proofing group. This will open a Spelling and Grammar dialog box with the first mistake highlighted and a list of suggestions shown. Select from the list of words and click on Change button. Once the spelling check is complete, Word will begin the grammar check in the same dialog box.